Okay, beautiful guys. Thank you very much. You're welcome to KC Clef YouTube channel. Um, we are changing the world and taking the world by storm. We are bringing music education right to your doorstep. And one of the ways by which we are doing this is to make sure that what you know in music, you can test your mettle by answering these questions. If you want to know more about how these questions are coming about, you are free to get the book Music Exemplified, and then it will help you to have an understanding of the various topics that we're talking about. Let's go with the questions now. The common characteristics of Agaita, OP, and Oja is that these are aerophones. Let's move on. The keys on a trumpet are known as, those keys on the trumpet, they are called bars. A double dotted semibreve has 7 beats. A semibreve is 4 beats. The first dot to the semibreve is half of 4, which is 2, added to 4, that is 6. Then, since the first dot is 2, the second dot is half of the first dot. Half of 2 is 1, added everything, 4, 2, 1. That is 7. The principal material for making a membranophone, they are instruments made with skin. So the principal material is skin or a membrane. Are you there? Beautiful. How many semitones are there from F to A? F to G is 2 semitones, and G to A is 2 semitones. So altogether, you got 4 semitones. Beautiful. One of these is not a chordophone. Chordophones are musical instruments, African musical instruments that are made with strings attached to them. And one of these is not a chordophone. The kakaki is an aerophone, it's not a chordophone. Somebody, are you following me? Beautiful. A dotted semibreve has dash number of beats. A semibreve is 4 beats. The dot beside a semibreve is half of the 4 beats, and that is 2. So 2 beats added to 4 beats, you have 6 beats. A dotted semibreve has 6 beats. Beautiful. One of these is a shaking idiophone. Shaking idiophone. Idiophones, self-sounding instrument, and a shaking idiophone is ishaka. You tie it on your leg and then you dance with it, and those African dancers, beautiful sounds, okay? If David can play a kakaki, this means that David can play what? If David can play a kakaki, that means David can play an aerophone. That's what we're talking about. Because a kakaki is an aerophone. Somebody, are you getting what I'm saying? Yes. Moving from D to E is how many semitone movement? D to E is 2 semitones movement. Thank you very much. That's very correct. God bless you. All right. Now the music ended with a note in the space below the second ledger line and below the, oh God, this is very, very wonderful. Okay. The second ledger line below the treble staff is, first ledger line below the treble staff is C. Second ledger line is A, and the space below it is G. So that note is pitch G. Aerophones are musical instruments that are blown. That's it. The ganga is the Yoruba name for the instrument known as talking drum. So the ganga is a membranophone because it is made with animal strings, stretched and attached to a hollow part of the instrument. Let's move on. Okay, one of these is not a keyboard instrument. And harp is not a keyboard instrument. Spinet is, celestal is, and harpsichord is. Okay, the goje and the banjo, they are both known as aerophone. No, sorry, the goje and the banjos are not aerophones. Sorry, they are chordophones. Correct. Thank you. The agidigbo is the name of the instrument that English people call tom piano. And tom piano is an idiophone. The fifth line of the bass part is pitch what? A. Thank you. This is beautiful. A. How many beats has a crotchet, a quiver, and a dotted crotchet? Let's go together. A crotchet is 1 beat. A quiver is half beat. So altogether you have 1.5. Then a dotted crotchet is 1.5 beats. Altogether now you have 1 beat, half beat, 1.5 beat, and that will be 3 beats. Thank you. Beautiful. How many semitones are there from F sharp to A flat? F sharp to A flat. Okay, from F sharp down to G, you have 1, and G to A flat, another 1. Altogether, you have 2 semitones. A dotted meaning has how many beats? A dotted meaning is how many beats? Who knows? A meaning is 2 beats. The dot is half of 2 added to 2, and that is 3. Oh, beautiful. 3 semitones. 3 beats. Sorry. Thank you. We're almost there. How many semitones are there from E to F? E to F is how many semitones? E to F is 1 semitone. Beautiful. The principal material for making a shekere. Shekere, East African shakers. The principal material is a grr. Somebody say that. Grr. Beautiful. That's very good. The music started with a 4-beat note. It must have started with a 4-beat note. It's a semi-brief. Thank you very much. On the keyboard, the black keys are called accidental keys. The music started with a 2-beat note. It must have started with a meaning. No doubt, it's a 2-beat note. It must have started with a meaning. The third line of a treble staff, the first line is E, the next line, the second line is G, and the third line is B. Correct. Beautiful. How many beats has a meaning? How many beats has a meaning? A quiver and a dotted crochet. The meaning is 2 beats. A quiver is half beat. A dotted crochet is 1.5 beats. So if you have 2 plus half, that is 2.5, plus 1.5, everything, 4 beats. Somebody is clapping for me. That's so beautiful. A grand staff has how many spaces? Grand staff, which is a great staff, has 10 spaces. Correct. The violin strings are named. The violin strings are E, A, D, G. Now I move to the last question here in this session. The 6th line of the great stave. The great stave has 11 lines and 10 spaces. The 6th line is the middle stave. Oh, that's so beautiful. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Subscribe to the channel and you will be glad you did. More infos on your way.